Welcome! In this video, we will walk through a boiler hydrostatic test. This is a safety-critical procedure used to verify pressure integrity after inspection, cleaning, maintenance, or repair. The purpose is to confirm the boiler can safely retain pressure. Only qualified personnel perform the test, under the direction of the authorized inspector. Let's build a simple boiler diagram, so we can visualize each step. This rectangle is the boiler shell. We add the main steam stop valve, the non-return valve, the vent, the drain, and a pressure gauge. First, place another boiler online and transfer the load. Then take the test boiler offline. Apply lockout and tagout to electrical power and fuel. Confirm the boiler is isolated and cannot start. Close the main steam stop valve, then close the non-return valve. Open the drain and open the vent to relieve pressure and allow air in. Line up the blowdown separator on bypass, as required. Allow the boiler to cool. Drain the boiler completely. Open the water side and fire side access points. Clean the fire side with a wire brush and vacuum. Clean the water side with treated water at ambient temperature. Reinstall water side doors and covers using new gaskets. Remove the safety valves and install approved test blanks. Remove high pressure and operating pressure controls and plug those openings. Close the valve to the pressure transducer to protect it. With the vent still open, begin filling with treated water at ambient temperature. Continue until water flows steadily from the vent to confirm all air is removed. Then close the vent and isolate the gauge glass. With the inspector present, raise the boiler pressure gradually. The hydrostatic test pressure is typically 1.5 times the maximum allowable working pressure. Hold this pressure for about 30 minutes while inspecting for leaks or distortion. After approval, open the surface blow valve, slightly open the vent, and drain down to just below normal operating level. Close and secure fireside access doors with new gaskets. Remove test blanks and reinstall safety valves and controls. Open the valve to the pressure transducer and reset the secondary low water cutoff. Fully open the boiler vent. Remove lockout and tagout only after the boiler is reassembled and cleared for service. Finally, provide the inspection card and safety valve blanks to the inspector. This procedure must be adapted to the boiler manufacturer instructions, facility safety program, local codes, and the inspector's direction. That completes the overview of a hydrostatic boiler test. Safety, documentation, and inspector oversight are essential at every step.